Esophageal squamous cell carcinoma, or ESCC, is one of the most aggressive and lethal forms of cancer worldwide, which is often diagnosed at later stages, resulting in high mortality rates. This is a cancer predominant in low and middle income countries, especially Southeastern Africa and Southeast Asia, and the etiology remains largely unknown. The lack of molecular understanding and absence of established early detection markers contributes to late diagnosis and poor prognosis of this disease. Due to this, the difference in incidence and mortality rate is very small, unlike other gastrointestinal tract cancers. To address this, we conducted the largest genome-wide DNA methylation study from global high-incidence populations of ESCC to understand its possible epigenetic etiology and identify potential detection markers. We identified crucial genes and pathways important for ESCC development. Then we prioritized genes based on their possible functional relevance and proposed an early detection marker panel for ESCC. To summarize, our findings could serve as a reference for the functional characterization of the identified crucial genes, to explore deeper into their role in ESCC initiation and progression and development of potential early detection markers. Our proposed markers could be tested on minimally invasive biospecimens such as circulating tumor DNA from blood or cytosponge derived esophageal cells for early detection of ESCC. For additional details about this work, please read our paper in the journal Cancer Research. The link is provided in the description below.